Hello, good morning friends. I am Ash and I am back here with the new Ssb Gto structure analysis series. This series is for all SSB aspiring candidates going through the various entries like NDA, 10 plus 2 BTech cadet entry, TES, CDS, FCAT, INET technical entries like SSC Tech, TGC, NCC special entry, JAG entry, service entry like ACC, PCSL, etc. We will move ahead with the stage first of the PG to the stage fourth of the most complex structure, from the basic to the advanced structures. Hardly I have seen any group reach to the fourth stage of the PGT, but we will learn the techniques to reach out to the multiple solutions, ideas from the single structure, even if the degree of difficulty is increased by the GTO sir by coloring the structure in a different ways. We will learn what is the scanning of the structure, how to observe it, how to use the modification given in the available structures. We will also learn the concept of simple bridging, combined bridging, cantilever bridging, improvised cantilever, how drawbridge works, hanging bridge, etc. We will understand all these concepts using the models, practicals and live streaming experiment. After covering PGT, HGT, command task, FPG, we will head toward GD, GP, lecturette. GD and the lecturette, it will be covered using my own 6-point formula and by preparing the hook. Even if you are having less than 30% of the knowledge on any topic, you can make best your lecturette. After that, we will learn the techniques and how to plan and organize individual obstacles, and finally group obstacle race. So overall, it's a holistic development of your personality. It will not only make your observation strong but also develop your constructive imagination. So you can join it. If you have any doubt, you can call or WhatsApp on the given number, and also you can join our Telegram group SSB GP group live. Link is given in the comment section below. Last but not the least, if you like this video, please share and subscribe it and help us to grow further. We are looking forward for your constructive support. It is very important for us. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks a lot, friends.